For homeowners in mobile, comfort, safety, and accessibility are essential considerations when planning a bathroom renovation. Walk-in tubs have become a popular solution for those seeking safer bathing options, especially for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges. However, successful installation requires careful planning, particularly regarding space and layout. Understanding these needs ensures your walk-in tub enhances your bathroom without creating unnecessary obstacles or compromising comfort. The first step in planning a walk-in tub installation is assessing your available bathroom space. Walk-in tubs are typically larger than standard bathtubs, so it's important to measure your bathroom carefully. Consider the length, width, and height of the area where you plan to install the tub. You also need to account for surrounding fixtures such as toilets, vanities, and shower areas to ensure there is sufficient room for safe movement and accessibility. In mobile homes, where bathrooms can be more compact, this assessment is critical to achieving a functional and comfortable layout. Another important consideration is door and entryway clearance. Walk-in tubs include a door that swings inward or outward, depending on the model. Ensuring there is enough clearance around the door is essential for easy entry and exit. In addition, consider the space needed for grab bars or other safety features. Properly planned clearance not only makes the tub safer but also prevents accidental damage to walls, cabinets, or other fixtures. Plumbing and drainage are also key factors in determining placement. Walk-in tubs often require additional plumbing connections for jets, heated seats, and fast fill or drain systems. Consulting with a professional plumber during the planning phase ensures that water supply lines and drains are positioned correctly, reducing the risk of leaks or performance issues. Proper plumbing layout also maximizes comfort and convenience, allowing you to enjoy all the features of your walk-in tub without complications. Accessibility is a central focus when planning layout in a walk-in tub installation. Consider the placement of grab bars, seating, and transfer space around the tub. You want to ensure that users can safely enter and exit the tub, reach controls, and maintain balance. In mobile homes, where bathrooms may have narrow passages, thoughtful planning of these elements is essential. For homeowners with mobility aids, such as walkers or wheelchairs, the layout may need additional modifications to maintain ease of access. Another consideration is the integration with existing bathroom design. Walk-in tubs can be installed in a variety of styles, from contemporary to traditional, but they need to complement the room's layout. Consider the location of windows, mirrors, lighting, and ventilation when positioning the tub. Proper integration ensures that the bathroom remains visually appealing while providing practical functionality. Flooring and wall space around the tub are also important. Waterproof and slip-resistant surfaces are highly recommended to prevent accidents. Additionally, the walls around the tub should allow for proper sealing and moisture protection. In mobile's humid climate, attention to waterproofing and ventilation helps prevent mold, mildew, and long-term damage. Space planning also affects additional features and upgrades. Many walk-in tubs include therapeutic options like hydrotherapy jets, heated seating, or chromotherapy lighting. Ensuring that there is adequate space for these features, along with electrical and plumbing requirements, maximizes your tub's benefits without overcrowding the room. Proper spacing allows homeowners to enjoy the full functionality of their walk-in tub while maintaining safety and comfort. Professional consultation is highly recommended for accurate planning and installation. Experienced installers in mobile can evaluate your bathroom layout, measure precisely, and recommend the best tub model for your space. They also ensure that all safety, plumbing, and electrical considerations are properly addressed, providing peace of mind and long-lasting performance. In conclusion, understanding space and layout needs is essential for a successful walk-in tub installation in mobile. By carefully assessing dimensions, door clearance, plumbing, accessibility, and integration with your bathroom design, homeowners can create a functional, safe, and comfortable bathing area. Proper planning ensures that your walk-in tub enhances your daily routine while adding value, convenience, and peace of mind.